My name is Haley. I'm here to talk to you today about the surveys that you're going to receive in a little bit. The surveys are from an organization called the Center for Educational Excellence in Alternative Settings. You'll see our name at the top of the page when you receive yours. What we do is we work with schools like yours, your school principals, all the way up to your state leaders to improve the quality of education for you. These surveys are going to help us to do that. What we do after you complete your survey is we collect them. We organize all of the data, we count up all of the numbers, and then we share that information back with your school. We talk with your principals, sometimes we even talk with your teachers about the things that students at your school have said. This is what your survey looks like. The first two questions are going to be really easy to answer. Right here we ask, what state are you in? That just means, are you in Texas? Are you in Massachusetts? Maybe you're in California? You'll write that in that box. The second one says, write the name of this facility. Maybe it's Camp Onizuka. Maybe it's Oak Hill. Whatever the name of your facility is, that's all you write in that box. Both of those things should be on the board for you in your classroom so that they're easy for you to spell and easy to remember. These surveys are completely anonymous. Please do not write your name anywhere on the form. We would like for you to be as honest as you can be so that we can give accurate information back to your principal and your other school leaders. This is what the survey looks like. It says, read the following statements and mark the response that best describes your experience. You have 4 choices. Totally untrue, mostly untrue, mostly true, and totally true. You'll notice that there is no middle one. There's no sometimes, there's no I don't know. We did that on purpose. So if you find an item that you're having a hard time making a choice about, use your best judgment and choose the one that best describes your experience. Section 4 items are about the secure staff at your school. That means the facility staff. If you receive any accommodations in your classroom that you know of, things like having test questions read out loud for you or having extra time to complete assignments, you can have those same accommodations for this survey. On the last page of the survey, we've got a big box right here. And that one says, is there anything else that you want to say about this school? And that's a chance for you to tell us anything that we didn't ask you about. Please write carefully so that we can read what you've written. It's important to us to know. When you finish the surveys in your classroom, your teacher should collect them in a confidential way. That might mean having a student collect them all in an envelope. Maybe you use a box that everyone drops their surveys into. Or maybe the teacher places an envelope somewhere for each student to put their surveys in when they're finished. But they should not be read by anyone once you've finished your survey. If you have any questions while you're working on your survey, please ask. If there's a word you don't know, or if you don't understand what the directions were, you can ask a teacher or another adult to help you. That's allowed. Thanks for completing your surveys, for reading all of the statements carefully, and for answering honestly. Students in more than a dozen states around the country are taking these surveys, and the more information that we get from each of you, the better job we can do improving your schools. Thank you very much.